What's the meaning of Braeburn? Braeburn. Braeburn.
Braeburn. Braeburn. Braeburn is a type of apple that is known for its sweet and tart taste, as well as its firm texture. The apple's skin has a bright red color with yellow and green accents, while the flesh is a creamy white. Braeburn apples are believed to have originated in New Zealand in the 1950s and have since become a popular fruit worldwide. They are typically harvested in late September to mid-October and can be enjoyed as a snack or used in cooking and baking. Overall, Braeburn apples are known for their unique flavor profile and versatility in a variety of culinary applications.